Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Tess and this is Taste and Sip by Tesha. Today, I am taking you to Aquino Boulevard here in Bagasbas Beach, Daet, Camarines Norte. It's the longest boulevard here in the Philippines, and we're gonna try the street foods around it. As you can see, it's so windy here and it's really hard to shoot videos with good quality of sound, so I'm gonna do voiceover on the most part of this video, so please bear with me and still please watch and don't forget to click like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today, my friend Kat is joining me again as we explore the longest boulevard here in the Philippines.
Anong meron dito? Meron dito ramen, puto bongbong. Actually, yung puto bongbong bago lang eh. And then, may coffee dito. Ganda naman dito, Beth. Tapos, tawag dito. Iba't ibang variety of food ang makikita nyo dito. Sige, let's check it out, guys. I'll show you the Bagasbas Coastal and the so-called Hepa Lake here in Daet. Sabi mo? Titikman mo ba lahat dito? Madami dito. Sobrang daming kainan. Hanggang doon, sa dulo. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Kung kaya naman, di ba? Kung kaya ng tummy. Kung kaya kainan, why not, di ba?
This street food lane is located in Talisay side of this Aquino Boulevard. And then kami mag-start sa dulo pabalik sa pinanggalingan namin. So, hope you enjoy this vid. By the way guys, I'm still doing the shoutout video every weekend. So, if you wanna be included, just comment #taste and sip on the comment section. First stall is Carito. And it means cheap or affordable in Tagalog because they sell fries for like 35 to 55 pesos only. This stall naman sells chicken pops, and as you can see, it is really deep fried. And they also offer balot and barbecue in this street food lane. Of course, syempre hindi mawawala yan. You can also find here beef pares and beef mami with veggie lumpia for like 20 pesos to 40 pesos only. So, it is super cheap and affordable.
So, hi! Isa lang pala share tayo. Try natin. Isa lang muna. We're gonna try it. Anong name niyo? Tess.
Puto bumbong is a Filipino purple rice cake steamed in bamboo tubes. It is traditionally sold during the Christmas season and it is a type of puto.
So, dito, kahit hindi na Christmas, okay, pinag-video pa rin yung Pasko dahil sa puto bumbong. Extended yung Christmas. Magkano ba budget natin? Depende. Depende sa matitikman natin. Sige. Depende kung ano mapag-critic kung ano. Okay. Sige. Sino ba kasi yung financer? Siyempre, ikaw. Ha? Sino financer? Ako ba? Pak na pak ang ano ni Madam, ang wallet. Uy, hindi ano yan. Resibo. Pwede pahawak lang. Sige lang. Yung wallet na to, bigay sa akin ni, Gigi. From Australia. G, thank you for this. Kay madam. Sige, tingnan natin kung magkano yung magagastos natin dito. So, 1 down na tayo? 1 down na kami. Meron na kami kung halaga 59 pesos.
Yes, you heard it right. For only 59 pesos, you will have this yummy puto bumbong from Yanni's, and makakain mo siya dito sa napakagandang view ng Bagasbas Beach. And I am telling you guys na hindi tinipid yung laman ng puto bumbong. As you can see, super cheesy niya. Yun nga lang, medyo mahangin dito sa lugar namin, kaya look what I have to do and how to eat it. This one is so approved to my taste because it's so yummy, it's so creamy, and it's so cheesy. And you have to try and taste for yourself to know what I am talking about.
Ano?
May 50, 30, 20.
20 yung pinakamura? Sige, isa.
You can also find here creamy and sweet cheese corn for only 20 pesos till 50 pesos depende sa sizes ng cup. This is perfect because the weather here is kinda gloomy and the corn is so hot. Also, they added cream cheese, margarine, and condensed to make it more special. There's also a milk tea shop beside the sweet corn stall. My order is here, so I've got this for only 20 pesos and it's tasting time.
I tasted good sweet corn, pero syempre, taste naman ito. Pero for the 20 pesos, okay siya. Try nyo.
Let's continue our food trip here at the longest boulevard, Street Food Lane. You can also find here different delicacy and this coffee, like for 40 pesos, Kalinga coffee, fresh fruit stands, plus more chicken pops and barbecue stores, and beef pares and mami on wheels. Someone is also offering here a buy one take one burger and stir-fried noodles. There's also local performer and artists who do their gigs here, so please support them, guys. I also find it interesting that this barbecue store is offering kebab, a Persian dish, and oh my god, this kuya, look at that. Whoa, char lang. There's also a sari-sari store here who offers fish balls, kwek-kwek, kikiam, and other stuffs.
Ano to? Tawag dito? Ayan, pizza and then goto. May makukunan ka pa dyan iba. Ay na, buy one take one po.
More walking and more stalls later. As you can see, hindi ka talaga mauubusan ng food to try here in Bagasbas. Because of the cold weather, as you can see, people are lining up on this store called Cape Sinauna. Ate told me that they are a franchise of Cape Sinauna, which has branches from Pampanga, Tagaytay, and Antipolo. They also offer different varieties of coffees in here like vanilla, kapeng barako, hazelnut, and also hot chocolate. We ordered their best seller, which is hazelnut and hot chocolate, but we waited a lot in line because ang daming naunang umorder.
108 lang.
What? 108?
Yes. Pangalan, madam?
Tess.
Yes.
108, dalawang kape na.
Yes.
While waiting for our coffee, let's do a quick photo in front of their cute little stall here.
So, I think this is gonna be a voice-over vlog, right? Yeah. No choice naman. No choice ka naman. No choice
Sobrang
ako.
hangin.
Sobrang hangin.
And I hope you still like this video even though the sound is kinda compromised. I will try to do my best next time I go into a beach or windy place. Finally, the coffee is here, but to be honest, I don't like it. It's nothing special. Maybe because I'm a coffee lover and I've tasted better coffee. But I encourage you to try it. Maybe siguro maarte lang ako at hindi siya pasok sa taste ko. But I think it's good enough for the price. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy a quick little tour here at the street food lane of the longest boulevard in the Philippines. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Till the next episode, see you!